is Maggie Lee, your Sunnyvale Sarah Park specialist. Today, I'm so excited to present to you 1579 Bedford Avenue in the most desired Sunnyvale neighborhood, right at the border of Los Altos. This home was stripped down to the studs and rebuilt in 2018 with many high-end features that you would desire. It offers over 2,500 square feet living space on a 0.29 acre of land with 6 bedrooms, an office, and 5 full bathrooms. If you are looking for a state-of-the-art home to move in and enjoy, this is the one. Let's go take a look. Isn't this a dream home? To me, it sets the bar for the ultimate Silicon Valley lifestyle, where luxury and technology meet to create a beautiful living, working, and entertaining space. If you have any questions, call us today. Again, this is Maggie, your Sunnyvale specialist. Thank you for watching.